Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will guide you on how to disable and then re-enable the Print Spooler service on Windows. And now let's get started. To begin disabling the Print Spooler service, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously to open the Run command. In the Run dialog box, type services.msc and then click on OK. This action will open the services window. Locate the Print Spooler service, right-click on it, and select Properties. Under the Startup Type drop-down menu, choose Disabled. Then, click on the Stop button to halt the service. Finally, click Apply, and then OK. Disabling the Print Spooler service means you will no longer be able to print any documents. Once your Office installation or any other task requiring printing is complete, you will need to re-enable the Print Spooler service. To do this, again press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard. In the Run dialog box, type services.msc and click on OK. This will bring up the services window you saw earlier. Find the Print Spooler service, right-click on it, and select Properties. From the Startup Type drop-down menu, select Automatic. Click on Apply, then click on the Start button. Finally, click OK. This will enable the Print Spooler service, allowing you to print your documents as you did before. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.